Infinet Wireless is one of the world's leading manufacturers of carrier-grade broadband wireless systems. The company's products are in great demand among telecom operators, large industrial enterprises, and corporate customers around the world. The manufacturer carries out a full cycle of equipment development, including R&D activities. Infinet Wireless solutions are powered by proprietary software. User feedback enables consumer-focused product development. We develop PTP and PTMP wireless systems intended for both dense urban development and remote areas. Deployment of a single network between remote objects, provision of fixed internet access, data transmission of video surveillance systems, organization of broadband access on mobile facilities, as well as creation of high-speed backbone wireless links are available with Infinet Wireless devices. Infinet's devices deliver reliability and quality with the widest range of application. Infinet products operate robustly even in the harshest conditions. We are chosen by telecommunication corporations in more than 150 countries on all continents. Major events such as 2010 FIFA World Cup in South Africa, the 2012 Olympics in London, the 2014 Winter Olympics in Sochi, the 2016 Olympics in Brazil, and the 2018 FIFA World Cup in Russia were successfully held with the help of Infinet's equipment. Infinet Wireless, top quality and the most reliable connectivity.